Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and permissions so nothing blocks audio. First, check that speakers and mic are connected and selected physically. Once done, open Zoom and sign in. Make sure your operating system has granted Zoom microphone access so the app can use the device. Without permission, the app will show muted input. If you're using a headset, plug it in before joining. Now join or start the meeting so you can access Zoom's in-meeting audio controls. Now you'll pick and verify the exact audio devices inside the meeting. Click the up arrow beside mute to open microphone and speaker choices. Select the device you physically connected. Then choose test speaker and microphone so Zoom plays a sound and records you back. This confirms routing and volume. If audio is low or missing, switch to an alternate device such as USB or Bluetooth to isolate hardware issues. Make sure to adjust Finish by optimizing settings and knowing one quick troubleshooting move. Enable original sound if you need unprocessed audio, or keep auto-adjust microphone gain for hands-free level control. These affect how you sound to others. Click Join Audio, then Computer Audio, and unmute to speak, confirming others can hear you. If audio still fails, restart Zoom to reset permissions, update or reinstall your audio drivers, and try an alternate USB or mobile headset. This often isolates the problem and gets you back on audio fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.